All right, folks, I've moved some things around, so maybe this will be better. I don't really know, but we're going to give this one a go, see what happens. Try to get that just, okay. Just trying to make it so it's not too bad here. Pattern-collections.com is where we're going to go. We're going to go to focus, pattern focus. And I'm going to scroll down here to Zigmi Barreled. Okay. This is a pretty simple one. We're going to start with a straight line. And then we're going to do these arches. One here, and then a space, and then one here, and then a space, and then one there. Up and down, right? The next step has you coloring them in. I don't know why you wouldn't just do it in the first step. Just me. Just saying. And then the next step is to aura. And then draw another line, and then aura, and then a line, and then aura, until you get it the size that you want. So let's give that a go, shall we? Let's do it on this one. Zoom in. I moved my camera. I'm not sure if this is where it's going to stay, but I'm going to give this a go. Find which pen I want to use. So I'll use this one. Okay. I think before I do that, I'm going to make myself a little border. And I'm going to give myself a kind of a swoopy line to put that on, just for myself. Oops, that's the fat one. Something like that. And then over and under and over and under. Do that. And the step out has us then going in and filling this in with black. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I might have to go get my sweater. It is cooler out here than it is in the house. So that's working though. Okay, and then the next one goes, we're going to do a line here, oops, fudge. I have already goofed up the aura first. This way. And then this one. And then this one. I need to turn. Why I'm trying to do it without turning my paper, I don't know. Okay, I think I'm going to do it one more time. And then I think, I mean, that's the pattern right there. You can embellish on top of it. I think I'm going to make this next loop wider. Maybe wider. Like that. Something like that will give it a different look. And then that. Yeah, why not? So instead of being more straight loopy and straight line, I'm doing it a curvy loopy and a curvy line. Something like that. That makes it more interesting. And then I need something sticking out or filling up these other spaces on either side. Something like that. Maybe with some pearls. Okay. I'm just filling the space with whatever feels like it wants to live here. Wants more pearls. Do something like that. That's interesting. Okay. So what was that card? That called? It was called Zigmi Barreled. Z-I-G-M-I R-R-E-L-E-D. Okay, I'm going to give myself, see now it doesn't look, I don't know if I've got, don't have my angles just right yet with my camera. I'll try that. Okay. What did I do with the pencil? My white pencil. Oh, bother. It's not the first time I've done that. I opened my pencil sharpener, but instead of opening the sharpening side, I opened the dump out the shaving side. So I made a mess everywhere. Ay, ay, ay. Good thing my trash can's nearby, huh? Okay, let's try that. I want I think I'm going to have to keep the door of my art studio open for a little bit. It's really, I can smell all the chemicals from all the building supplies, the materials, the paneling, the paint, all that stuff. So it's making my nose run. But I think maybe if the next few days, if I open the windows, prop the door open, and just let it just air out, that will help, I think. I'm just doing a little bit of shading. Oops, I missed a couple, but that's all right. I can just, it's fine. That works. Just going to do some darker where I think dark needs to go. And then I'll use my white pencil that I sharpened, and I will a little highlighting and make it pop, because I love to do that on these tan toned tiles. Something like that. Can you even really see that? Sort of. Let's use the white and do a nice it's not popping on this tile like it usually does. Why is that? It's interesting. I wonder if it's just because I don't have any lights on, but usually the light reflects. That's possible. Should I go turn on the lights and see if that makes a difference? Be right back. Room's not that big. Doesn't really. Maybe it's just because this is the light tan tile. Oh, it is. It's not me. It's the tile. Okay. But I do kind of like it with the lights on, so I'll leave them on. Guess that's done. Let me highlight these little orbs. I feel like I'm really quiet today. Just the kind of day it is. That's good. Okay, you guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. We'll go out and do something nice for someone today so that you can make the world a better place. Oh, the world has gotten crazy. Just, it has. Oh. Mass shootings. Just, you know, the whole political thing with voting and, just, yeah. Drama in art groups. It's just, the whole world is going crazy. So the only way we can make it better is to go out and every single day do something nice for somebody else. Give someone a smile and make the world a better place. That's the only way we can do it. Sitting around moaning and groaning and complaining does not help anything. Alrighty, so you guys have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna have to play with my camera a little bit more. We'll see. It'll take me a bit to get used to finding just the right place for it. I'll be back. Bye-bye.